Yo, check it out! We're about to dive into the life of traditional Paul, a dude who seriously shook things up in the early Christian scene. This guy was like a total 180 from where he started. You feel me? So, picture this. Paul, originally known as Saul of Tarsus, was this hardcore Jewish Pharisee. He was all about persecuting Christians, thinking they were messing with the old school ways. But then, bam, something wild happened on his way to Damascus. It was like a spiritual wake-up call. It flipped his whole world upside down. After that mind-blowing experience, Paul did a complete 180. He went from being the Christians' worst nightmare to their biggest cheerleader. This guy became so fired up about his new faith that he hit the road, spreading the word like it was the hottest gossip in town. Paul wasn't just talking to talk. He was walking the walk. He traveled all over the place, setting up churches left and right. It was like he was on a mission from God, and nothing could slow him down. But here's the kicker. Paul wasn't just about face-to-face preaching. Nah, he took it to the next level with his writing game. This dude dropped some serious knowledge in his letters, which we now call epistles. These weren't just any old letters. They were packed with deep thoughts about faith, God's grace, and how everyone could get in on this new spiritual movement. Paul was all about breaking down barriers, saying it didn't matter if you were a Jew or a Gentile. Everyone could be part of the crew if they believed in Christ. Now, Paul's writings weren't just popular back then. They're still a big deal today. Like, major parts of Christian theology are based on what this guy wrote. He was dropping truth bombs left and right, emphasizing that salvation comes through faith, not just following a bunch of rules. It was revolutionary stuff, man. But here's the thing. Being a revolutionary doesn't always end well. Tradition has it that Paul's journey came to a pretty intense end in Rome. We're talking around 64 to 67 AD, give or take. The story goes that he was martyred, which is a fancy way of saying he died for what he believed in. Talk about commitment to the cause, right? So there you have it. Traditional Paul, the guy who went from Christian hider. His life was like an action-packed movie with a spiritual twist. From dramatic conversions to worldwide travels, from writing letters that would shape a religion to facing a martyr's death, Paul's story is one for the ages. It just goes to show, you never know how one experience can change your whole life's direction. Wild, right? Please subscribe, like, and share our video. Thanks for watching.